Good morning, everyone. We are Team Covengers, and we are here to arm the doctors with real-time treatment data in a war against pandemics. Next, please. So we know that the coronavirus is not unknown to anyone. There is a pandemic at hand, and people are dying every few minutes across the globe. Next, please. Next, please. So while the virus has evolved to continuously spread across the globe, the humans have still done clinical trials with small number of patients scattered in different focal points across the globe, and this data is not available at one place for the clinician to decide upon what therapy to give the patient that is in front of him and suffering from the disease. So to solve this problem, next please, we have developed a platform. So this is our platform wherein the doctors can go to this form and fill and enter all the patient history, as well as have directly the input of their electronic health records. And we will collect the same data from patients. We'll also integrate data from PubMed as well as clinical trials. So now we have done a dummy run of this artificially synthesized data from all the publications that I as a research scientist have read. And what we see here is a simple linear regression can give us the idea of drug distributions, age distribution, gender, drug response, etc., etc. So, and country-wise distributions of how each drug is working. And now, when a patient comes in the doctors fill in the specificities of the patient, and this will all be automatized. But in the interest of time, this is what we could develop so far. You can see that the drug efficacy scores are obtained in this manner, and the clinician can now decide better on what to treat this patient with. Also, if you go to insights and fill in the specifics of the patient, this will also be automated in future. And when we fill in these details, we can see that how much which drug is successfully done. This platform will also be supplemented with PubMed and clinical trial data for a clinician to delve deeper into the literature from which each of these sources have been taken and collected from. Presentation. Okay, so as I have said that we are only going to collect data from verified sources and trusted sources. Also, this data will be processed. Next, please. Via the Google, will be stored in the Google Cloud Storage. The following is our data architecture, and we aim to use Amazon SageMaker and IBM's Vision API to process all the checks X-ray data of the patient. So just to, next please. So our strategy is the following, where we'll take the following amount of time to make this platform live and active in 3 months. Next, please. Our stakeholders are doctors, patients, because we aim to save lives. Also, in the long term, researchers and pharma will have access to this data, so that, I mean, just the outcomes of this data, so that they can get leads into research and clinical trials. Next, please. The data will again be visible only to the governments and authorized partners, and therefore it will be very safe to use. And 100% of the clinicians that we have spoken to have said that they wanted this platform today. So join our open source initiative. This is our core team. Join our open source initiative and be the change we want to see in this world. And let's make pandemic a history. Be a Covenger. Next, please. Because together we can. Thank you.